A few people have messaged me that they're more of a visual learner about how to make one or cast on through a row. It's either called make one or French increase. So I'm just going to do a quick tutorial to show you how easy it is. So I'm going to knit 5 stitches. Now I'm going to make one, which is increasing. So instead of the old way where you would go into this needle and bring it through and around and then knit it off, we're not going to do that at all. We're going to go in between the 2 stitches. We're going to pick that up. We're going to pop it onto the needle. We're going to knit it. And then we're going to knit 1. If we're going to increase again or make one, we're going to pick this up, pop it on our needle, knit it, knit 1. So just popping it up on your needle doesn't mean you've just increased or made one. You actually have to knit it once you've put it up on the needle. So I'm knitting 1. I'm going in between the 2 stitches. I'm going to knit that and knit 1. And that, my friends, is how you increase in a row. And also, once you've picked up stitches, say for the Pippi doll, the Comfort doll, or the Izzy doll, and you need to pick up stitches around the waist, this is how you would increase. But you can also use this method in normal knitting. So if you were asked to increase along a rib row of knitting, you can actually use this method. So I'll just show you one more time. I'll just make sure the needles are in the right. I've got a ball of wool under my arm here. So into here, you're going to pop it up onto your left needle. You're going to knit it and knit 1. And you can do exactly the same. Some patterns say increase in every row. You can actually increase the same method